Do you ever feel stuck? Like no matter what you do, progress seems slow? What if I told you that you can move forward every single day, no matter the circumstances? Let's break it down. Progress isn't about giant leaps. It's about small, consistent steps. Aim to improve just 1% daily. Over time, that tiny effort compounds into massive success. Pick one small habit that you will never skip, no matter what. It could be reading one page, doing 5 push-ups, or writing down a single idea. Make it non-negotiable. Your mornings set the tone. Even if it's just 5 minutes, have a routine that fuels you. Read, meditate, move. A strong start, a productive day. Life happens. Some days will be tough, but instead of quitting, adjust. Do a smaller version of your task. Just keep the momentum alive. Success leaves clues. Track your habits, reflect weekly, and celebrate small wins. When you see progress, you stay motivated. Remember, progress isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. One step a day is still a step forward. So start now and make today count.